Every day at Golf Cart Garage, we get calls and emails just like this one.
Scott writes in to ask, "Hi Dave, how do I install an onboard charger on my golf cart?"
So it's time to ask Dave, right now, on GCGTV.
Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us today as we take a close-up look at installing an onboard golf cart battery charger. We'll also cover why they're so popular, and if you stick with us through the whole video, we'll tell you how to send in your own questions and share the secret to getting an onboard charger at the best price. If you haven't seen our video describing the features of Summit 2 chargers, you can check that out right here, or at the link in this video's description. But probably its best feature is versatility. No matter what golf cart you drive, Summit 2 can charge it. It's all about the connection to the golf cart. While some owners use their Summit 2 as a portable charger that plugs into the golf cart receptacle, the same charger can be kept and used on board the golf cart and connected directly to the batteries instead of plugging into the cart. And there are some good reasons why. First, simple convenience. It's just a nice luxury to have the charger connected all the time, so that all I have to do when I'm done driving is plug the charger into an electrical outlet. Or maybe your golf cart spends its time driving long distances at a campground or a golf course. Having the charger on board allows you to charge up anywhere you find power outlets and never push the cart home again. And maybe the most popular reason for keeping the charger connected directly to the batteries is that it allows 48-volt club car drivers to replace their outdated two-part OBC and charger system with one machine that charges way better and finally offers the storage charging feature that the club car computer just can't perform. If your charger or OBC has failed, or if you just want good automatic storage charging on a club car, this is the way. Connecting Summit 2 directly to the batteries bypasses your cart OBC and allows this charger to control itself. Maybe you're switching from a plug to an onboard system, or don't have either one connected to your Summit 2. You can find our video on connecting plugs and onboard connections to Summit 2 right here, if you still need to set up your charger before moving on to installing it to the cart. Here's our 48-volt battery compartment. We'll start by flipping the switch from run to tow for any electrical install. Battery configurations can be different on any given cart. For on-board connection, we want to use the ends of the series to charge everything at once. So we'll attach the red lead to the first battery positive and the black lead to the last battery negative terminal. The easy way to tell which batteries are at the ends of the series on any cart is that they're only wired to one other battery. All the ones in the middle of the series are connected to two other batteries. On this cart, the end batteries are at the rear and passenger side of the battery compartment. We'll zoom in to show those terminals right up close. These connectors are easy to install with just a wrench like battery cables. Connecting these two wires is all you need to charge the cart. The blue wire can be used as a lockout to stop the cart from driving while charging. However, to perform this function, a wiring kit must be installed to take the lockout information from the charger to your cart controller. The power supply cable for Summit 2 is hand removable, so I don't typically use this function. Most club car users keep this charger in the bag well or underneath the rear seat and wire it to the batteries through the rear access panel. Most other drivers have room in the battery compartment to keep it there, but it's waterproof and tough, so it's ready to be on board full time. But part of Summit 2's versatility is that so long as the wiring reaches the batteries, you can essentially keep this charger wherever it's most convenient to you. Lots of folks also ask about disconnecting or removing their cart receptacle or OBC. There's no reason to perform this work unless it sounds like a fun project or a good reason to get out of the house for a while. By connecting Summit 2, you're already bypassing all of that to use a different system. Now that your charger is installed on board, you should plug it in anytime you're not driving, and Summit 2 will take care of the rest, including automatic storage charging. All you have to do is water the batteries. You can check out our video on doing that right here. And if you're shopping around for the best price on this charger, look no further. Golf Cart Garage has a great partnership with Lester Electrical, and we can help put a Summit 2 charger on your doorstep for the best price because we replace the dealership markup with 5-star service and a 4-year warranty. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. You can also send your questions by email to askdave@golfcartgarage.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.